Oh my gosh, look at me. I'm in a park. I'm in a park in New York. I'm with a bunch of geocachers. I have the cache crate with me, and I have a geocaching tee, and we're gonna unbox it in the park. We have a studio audience of like, what? It's the geocaching vlogger. It's the Aussie geocacher, Seemyshell, Craig Mitchell.
What's this?
It's a cache crate. We're gonna open it right now. Look at this. There's people walking behind. We're walking behind. It's the cache crate. Go ahead, come on through.
Come on, dance.
It's the cache crate and a geocaching.
Josh, yeah.
If you stick around, you might get something. So if you don't know what the cache crate is, every month, Lisa
from cache-advance.com.
she sends me a geocaching box filled with geocaching goodness, and I open it up for you so you can see what it's like. So maybe you want to subscribe or just see what it's like. So this is fun. I've never done an unboxing of a cache crate outside at an event.
And a duo unboxing at that.
I know. So we already have a problem. I don't have a knife. I don't have it. Does anybody have a knife? Does anybody have a tot? No, they got tools. Oh, keys, you got keys. What do we got?
Oh, I've got to say it.
Look at that.
I've got to say it, Josh.
I got a knife.
Josh.
Let it.
Josh.
What?
That's not a knife.
What? Oh.
Come on, man. Let me have it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, here we go. Ah! I did it wrong. Okay, the other way. Okay, good. Boom.
Done.
There we go. Okay, here we go. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for the knife. The knife. All right.
I wonder if his name's Mac.
There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's funny. All right, here we go. You get to see the production. I shook it up a little bit. Look at that. Did you see that, Craig? I shook it up.
And nothing happened.
And nothing, it's completely intact. The production is great. Look at, you can see the wind is blowing the tissue paper in the wind. Like, watch this.
Personalized tissue paper.
Watch. Goodbye.
Oh, that's a logbook.
Okay. No, I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna see to that later. You're gonna feel inside, and then you're gonna grab something, and then you're gonna react.
Oh, it's
React.
It's what is it?
What is it?
It's a pop socket.
Oh my gosh!
It's a cache crate. Turn up the right way.
For your phone.
Cache crate. Pop socket. You do that with your hand.
Yeah. This is like, display it.
Focus. Cache crate. Pop socket.
This is great because it can help you hold your phone.
Yeah.
You can use it as a tripod. It pops up.
It pops up.
You can,
and then pops down.
Yeah, it can be like a. We're in New York.
That's
Next
good.
thing.
That's good.
I'm gonna grab. Okay.
You hold it.
Okay.
Then sort of use as a guide.
Oh. Everybody needs these. A Write and Rain logbook. Waterproof paper, Craig.
That's the best paper you can have in a geocache, is this paper, this quality paper.
This is so true, and especially since we just went through pretty much a monsoon this morning.
Well, a hurricane.
Hurricane Elsa.
Tropical storm, if that.
Yeah.
Jeez,
sprinkling Elsa.
In America, you haven't seen heavy winds until you get to Australia.
Yeah, this is true. Like I went outside this morning expecting like force winds.
And your hair still looked exactly the same as it was when you woke up.
And it was Elsa, so I was just like, let it go.
And she did.
She did let it go.
She did.
And now it's sunny. Okay, next.
Let me put my hand this time. I'll get the big one, Josh. I'll get the big one. Something big. It's something huge. It's something. What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I needed one of these.
You get to keep it.
It's a tick and mosquito kit.
Oh, you need this.
I've been through so many places in Australia, so much bush, so many spiders and snakes, all that can kill you. And what happens, I get to New Jersey and within 2 weeks, I have a tick buried in my side. Buried.
But you know what? You get to keep this.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, you need it.
Oh, yes. My wife is going to be very happy. She didn't like me having a tick. She said, no
give it to her.
No woods for you, Craig, anymore, she said.
It's my turn? Okay.
Yeah. I pulled out the tick thing. Doesn't
Okay,
remember?
what is this? Oh, I almost grabbed something really special. Something big. What is it?
What is it?
Yes. These are great.
Oh, these are good.
This is a cache container. Or you can put a first aid kit in it, multi-use.
Yes.
And it has a little carabiner on it.
The carabiner.
So you can hang it in a tree or hang it on your belt loop.
But they're a good container. If you're looking for a good container, these are great because they have a rubber seal on it.
Oh yeah.
Not like the pill bottles or the mint tins or those other.
It's the rubber seal. It's a lifeline.
Yes.
A lifeline. You know, it's a lifeline for caching. You're like, I need help. Help me. I need a cache.
Look at this.
What?
It already comes
Watch. Watch. I'm gonna hide it right now.
Ed,
I hit it.
I'll get the coordinates from here.
Get the coordinates. I hid the cache.
Done.
That's what.
Done.
That's what's so great about doing this outside. Is it your turn?
It's my turn. Yeah,
There's something really good in there. I think
I'll
you should
leave
not
it
do.
for-
Save
no,
that
no.
for the end.
I know. You kind of feel what this
Yeah.
one is.
The grand finale.
Yeah, but this one is just a. Oh, but just
Oh my gosh! Come
Where's
back!
that- where's that
Come
cache?
back!
Where's that
Come
cache?
back! The cache.
The boomerang cache. It's a boomerang cache. It came back.
Not only does it have a logbook,
And
it now
now-
has a pencil,
Oh, perfect.
and now rehide it. I gotta do the last
You
one.
did the last one. You did the last one.
Okay.
It's your cache crate, Josh. Not mine. Your
Okay.
cache crate.
What could it be?
I'm photobombing it.
It's a shine. Oh my gosh. I'm adding to my collection. Craig, every month I get a different dinosaur geocoin. Look at, help me cover it. Look at that. It's, what is it? Stegosaurus? That's the other side. That's his head.
The skull.
Yeah.
The skull of the dinosaur. I don't even know what dinosaur. I don't think it's a. It is a
Were there
stegosaurus.
dinosaurs in Australia?
Yeah, of course they were. One was my ex-mother-in-law, but anyway.
Oh, so here's the cool thing. Every single month for the last like 4 or 5 months, it's a different dinosaur.
Yeah. So which
I
ones
got
have you
the collection.
What are they? I bet you don't even know.
Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops.
Yep. You know, there should be a pterodactyl in there as well.
Probably.
You can't hear a pterodactyl go to the toilet. Do you know why?
Why?
Because the P's silent.
Oh my gosh. Done. You're done. Just kidding. And he's back! It's the Cache Crate. If you're interested in Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com and you can subscribe there. If you're a new subscriber, use the promo code GEO15 and you'll get 15% off your first crate. That means you get more off if you go for 6 months or a year. But we also have, check this out, a geocaching t-shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna open this. And it's my favorite thing to open it like Hulk Hogan. Like, you know when Hulk Hogan rips open his shirt? I'm a true American, die for fires. I don't know the words. Okay, here we go, ready? So I'm not gonna look. So you're gonna see the color first. A geocaching tee.
Oh, what color is it?
This blue edition.
Oh!
Josh, is it a tank
You
top?
don't even have a shirt, Josh. You don't even have a shirt. It's non-existent.
It's not a shirt?
No, it's...
Where is it?
There's nothing
Where
in there.
is
There's
it?
nothing in there.
Where is it? It's invisible!
And look, Josh, I'm here, now I'm not. Now I'm here, now I'm not.
Oh my gosh, what does it say on it? What does it say on it? It says,
Camo is the new black.
that's funny.
Yeah.
Camo's the new black. All right, you know what we do? I'm gonna
What do
put
you
it
do?
on.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna put it on with magic.
Well, how do you do that?
Yeah, you just watch.
Okay,
Ready?
I'll watch.
Stay still. You gotta stay still for this, okay? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Oh, oh.
Craig, that was magic.
How did you do that?
That was that. You can't even look at. It's like look at him. A floating head.
Oh.
I'm a floating head. I'm floating. Is it spooky?
It is a little bit.
I'm in the east. Is this like the headless horseman land? I'm headless man. This is the craziest unboxing in the history of unboxings.
What's that?
It smells. It smells like new car smell.
Yeah. And it feels so. That's good quality shirt.
It is.
That is a really good quality shirt.
It is, and you can't even see my belly because it's invisible.
Where do you get these shirts from?
Geocaching tees. So you go to geocachingtees.com and you can get a new t-shirt every single month from Lisa. It's like your birthday or a holiday every single month. Check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. That was fun.
It was.
Now I think I'm gonna give some of this stuff away.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
And not because I don't like it.
And sharing's caring.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. I like it.